How to make hair grow faster on your head. There are several things you can do to improve hair growth on your head. 1. Follow a healthy diet. Eating a diet rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for healthy hair growth. Focus on foods that are high in protein, such as lean meats, fish, beans, and lentils, as well as foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, such as leafy greens, citrus fruits, and nuts. 2. Take supplements. Supplements that contain biotin, collagen, and keratin can help support healthy hair growth. However, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before taking any supplements. 3. Reduce stress. High levels of stress can cause hair loss, so it's important to find ways to reduce stress in your life. Try yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to help calm your mind and reduce stress. 4. Avoid damaging hair practices. Avoid using hot styling tools on your hair, such as flat irons and curling irons, and limit the use of chemical treatments like hair dyes and perms. These practices can damage hair and make it more prone to breakage and hair loss. 5. Massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp can help stimulate hair growth by increasing blood flow to the hair follicles. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp for a few minutes each day. 6. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is important for overall health, including healthy hair growth. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. It's important to note that healthy hair growth takes time, so be patient and consistent with your hair care routine. If you have concerns about hair loss or thinning hair, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or dermatologist. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.